How to fix Roku TV error code 009. Hey everyone. Welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If your Roku TV says error code 009 and it's connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet, you're not alone. This frustrating error means your Roku links to the router but can't reach the internet. Today, I'll share 10 proven fixes plus extra tips to get you streaming again fast. Let's fix it. Point 1. Understand the error. Error 009 is a common connectivity issue on Roku TVs and streaming devices. It confirms a local Wi-Fi connection but blocks internet access. Common causes include router glitches, ISP problems, or outdated settings. Point 2. Power cycle. Everything starts simple. Unplug your Roku TV, router, and modem from the wall for 60 seconds. Plug the modem back first, wait until lights stabilize, then the router, and finally your Roku TV. This clears temporary glitches in 70% of cases. Point 3. Test internet on other devices. Open your phone or laptop and browse the web. If nothing loads, the problem is with your ISP or router. Contact your service provider. If other devices work, the issue is Roku specific. Point 4. Restart Roku network settings. Go to Settings and GT. Network and GT. Set up connection. Choose wireless, reselect your network, and enter the password again. This refreshes the connection. Point 5. Clear Roku cache. Quick secret fix. Press home 5 times, then up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. Your TV will restart and clear temporary files. This often resolves error 009 instantly. Point 6. Check router settings. 2.4 GHz. Log into your router, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enable BGN mode on 2.4 GHz band and set channel to 1, 6, or 11. Avoid channels 12, 14. Roku works best on 2.4 GHz for stability. Point 7. Update router firmware. Outdated router firmware causes many 009 errors. Check your router manufacturer's app or website for updates. A fresh firmware version fixes bugs and improves compatibility. Point 8. Set DNS to automatic on Roku. Settings and GT. Network and GT. Advanced and GT. DNS. Choose automatic, or manually set to Google DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, if needed. This bypasses ISP DNS issues. Point 9. Move closer or use wired connection. Bring your Roku TV closer to the router for stronger signal. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for a direct wired connection. This eliminates Wi-Fi problems completely. Point 10. Factory reset as last resort. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Note: this will remove all apps and logins, so back up what you can first. Use only after trying other fixes. Bonus tips: keep your Roku software updated. Go to Settings, System, System Update. Avoid using mobile hotspots long-term as they can trigger error 009. If you use VPN or firewall apps, disable them temporarily. For persistent issues, check for ISP outages in your area. Older Roku models prefer 2.4 GHz over 5 GHz. Try these 10 steps in order and your Roku TV should be back online quickly. Which fix worked for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching. Happy streaming.